In the field of life sciences and biotechnology, we stand at the core of scientific advancement. From liquid handling instruments to benchtop equipment, from plastic lab consumables to storage solutions, it is here where precision meets innovation. We are Accumax. With over 2 decades of experience, we bring to the stage our state-of-the-art manufacturing capabilities and a legacy forged from utilizing top-notch technology, making Accumax synonymous with excellence in life sciences solutions. As a global leader, Accumax proudly presents an array of products crafted to exceed the expectations of laboratory professionals. Our offerings include liquid handling equipment, sample preparation consumables, storage solutions, and benchtop equipment. We are dedicated to creating excellent product solutions. Our commitment to excellence is evident in every product we develop, which results from thorough research and development. At present, our product ideation and delivery team consists of over 1,000 members who are actively involved in a diverse range of tasks, from product research and ideation to industrial design, electronic and mechanical design, prototyping and tool development. Each stage exemplifies our unwavering commitment to delivering innovative solutions. This holistic approach ensures that our solutions align seamlessly with global market demands, delivering high-quality results, meeting highest global standards. To fulfill our commitment, we operate advanced manufacturing units globally, spanning 812,000 square feet. This includes a dedicated clean room, Class 7, 8, and 9 of 135,000 square feet, and a controlled area 10 microns of 26,000 square feet. As well as we house gamma sterilization facility, which falls under Category 4 gamma irradiation facility. It is designed to house maximum source strength of 3 million curies, 111 PBQ of cobalt-60, and is intended for the radiation processing of consumables products and other medical disposables. Our machinery lineup includes 88 injection molding machines, extrusion blow molding machines, injection blow molding machines, injection stretch blow molding machines, dedicated tool rooms, 23 robotic assembly machines. Our fully equipped application laboratory boasts an impressive array of instruments, complemented with experienced and knowledgeable team for thorough evaluation and validation across diverse assays such as molecular biology, cell culture, and microbiology. For us, quality, durability, and precision are not mere words, they are the essence of our brand. This lab is the cornerstone of our unwavering commitment to provide robust application support for every product and at every stage of its life cycle. Our lab plays a crucial role in quality checks, ensuring that we deliver products that embody these principles and that every instrument reflects the highest standards of craftsmanship. Equipped with these technologies, we have the daily capacity to manufacture 3 million tips, 6,000 PCR plates, 120,000 Petri plates, and 1,500 micropipettes, to name a few, reflecting the trust customers worldwide place in us and our scale, which can be expanded as and when required. Our company proudly holds prestigious certifications like ISO 9001-2015, ISO 13485-2016, CE IVD, ISO 17025, ISO 14001-2015, and ISO 45001-2018 accreditation. These certifications serve as an assurance to clients of our dedication to quality and accuracy. At Accumax, our core beliefs define our work. Sustainability is central to our values, driving us to manufacture precision products with a focus on safety, energy efficiency, and resource conservation. We recognize the importance of environmental stewardship. As manufacturers of life science laboratory consumables, we bear the responsibility of pioneering innovative solutions. For instance, we prioritize the use of electrical injection molding technologies, which consume 40% less electricity compared to traditional technologies. Our Accumax GreenMax tip racks embrace eco-friendliness and arrive in specially designed racks that echo our sustainable ethos, significantly minimizing their carbon footprint. As an organization, we deeply value the all-round development of our workforce as well. We actively cultivate a growth mindset work culture through Kaizen initiatives. Festive celebrations and sports events enhance camaraderie among team members, resulting in a team that is not only happier but also more productive. In our journey, every milestone we have achieved is a testament to the trust our clients place in us. We invite you to be a part of this extraordinary journey, where precision meets innovation and success is a shared destination. Accumax. Accuracy at maximum.